زينت السماء وضعت الجبال أمرت البحار وخلقت الجنان سيرت الكواكب أضأت النجوم فجرت الأنهار فأرحت القلوب وللعباد أنزلت الإسلام وللهداية أنزلت القرآن.
So basically I've just gotten my ticket and we will be going for the zip line. Actually I'm very scared and I really don't want to do it, but it's like once in a lifetime experience and you don't want to miss it out. I'm very scared of heights and I have a phobia for heights, so I really don't want to do it, but at the end of the day it's all about beating your fears, right? So let's give it a go. Many people are doing it anyways, so while we're here, why not do it? So let's see how it goes. So basically we had to wear this cap and all, and as you can see we are fully ready now. Honestly speaking, as much as I'm afraid, I really want to do it, and I'm just seeing people having this experience. It's really nice. I don't want to miss it out, but since I'm glad my mom is not here at the moment, because if my mom were to see this all, she would really get frightened out. So my last fear is that I hope my camera doesn't fall off my hands because of the fear that I have because of heights. So as much as I'm afraid, it's my turn now. I guess in the next 5 minutes I have to go. And honestly speaking, the height isn't that much, the altitude isn't that high. But of course, when you're scared of heights, you're just scared of heights. So, well, I'm doing it for you all, so you all will get to see an amazing view. And then why not? Why not? At the end of the day, it's all about challenging our fears, right? So let's give it a go. I hope I just don't... Most likely I'll just start praying while going down. So basically it wasn't allowed to make the video, so there I was, and then as you can see it is very high. Now I'm going downstairs. Honestly speaking, my legs are still a bit shaking, and but it was a really good experience. Now I even forgot where I kept my cap, but I hope it's there. So basically that was the place where we landed, and we started all the way from up there. When I reach that place, I'll show you that place as well. So basically that was the starting point of the zip line, and then we went all the way down there. So basically this is what the view is like from over here. Honestly speaking, I was a bit afraid, so I wasn't able to fully enjoy the view, but if you want to come here, make sure you never close your eyes.
Ben fazla kalmayacağım zaten. Stroll istedim. Biraz da kalırım.
Ne?
Tabii ki. Yani şimdi tabii ki ben bir şunu söylüyorum.
Aslında hiç yine aynı koku verebilecek miyim?